If you're looking for smart and useful products, then this video is for you and your next ultimate PC build. Before you buy any gaming graphics card, you need to see this. In this video, I've found the best gaming graphics cards of 2026, based on real performance, quality, and value for money. I spend hours researching, comparing features, prices, and real user reviews, so you can pick the perfect one without wasting time or money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And for more honest, no-fluff tech reviews, make sure to hit subscribe. Let's get started. Kicking off the list with a fantastic option, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5060. Built on the cutting-edge Nvidia Blackwell architecture and featuring DLSS 4, this GPU delivers highly impressive performance for mainstream gaming. With 8 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory on a 128-bit interface, it offers incredibly smooth gameplay and efficient multitasking for modern AAA titles at high settings. PCIe 5.0 support ensures rapid data transfer, keeping your system relevant and future-proofed for years to come. Equipped with Gigabyte's renowned WindForce cooling system, it maintains optimal temperatures through an advanced fan design and highly efficient heat dissipation. DLSS 4 dramatically enhances frame rates via AI-powered upscaling, allowing you to enjoy crisp, high-resolution graphics on a more accessible budget. Compact yet incredibly capable, it strikes an excellent balance of efficiency, thermal control, and next-gen graphics power. Let's dive into the next one. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5070. Powered by Nvidia's advanced Blackwell architecture, this card delivers exceptional gaming and creative performance, even in compact systems. Packing 12 GB of GDDR7 memory on a 192-bit interface, it provides the massive bandwidth needed for high-resolution gaming and stunning real-time ray tracing. Next-gen PCIe 5.0 support ensures lightning-fast data transfer and absolute future-proof compatibility with the latest motherboards. Specifically designed to be Nvidia SFF ready, it is ideal for small form factor builds without sacrificing an ounce of power. Its sleek design allows for easy installation in tight spaces while maintaining remarkably robust performance. Furthermore, DLSS 4 uses state-of-the-art AI upscaling to massively boost frame rates while preserving flawless image quality, making it a highly versatile and powerful choice. Here's another top contender. The Asus SFF Ready GeForce card. This Nvidia Blackwell-powered GPU is the perfect choice for enthusiasts seeking uncompromising high performance in a compact footprint. Purpose-built to be SFF ready, it fits seamlessly into mini IDX and small form factor systems without compromising on raw power or thermal efficiency. Its 2.5 slot design ensures broad build compatibility, while the Axial Tech fans, featuring a smaller hub for longer blades and a barrier ring, increase downward air pressure to direct airflow precisely where it's needed most. The inclusion of a premium phase change GPU thermal pad guarantees optimal heat transfer during the most intensive rendering and gaming sessions. Armed with DLSS 4 and the advanced Blackwell architecture, it delivers staggering frame rates and realistic ray-traced visuals in a small, highly efficient package. This next product might surprise you. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5070T. A true powerhouse engineered for demanding gamers and professional creators alike. Equipped with a massive 16 GB of GDDR7 memory on a 256-bit interface, it delivers ultra-fast data transfer and buttery-smooth performance for heavy 3D rendering and maxed-out AAA gaming. PCIe 5.0 support ensures maximum bandwidth for all next-generation applications. To keep things icy cool, the robust WindForce cooling system prevents thermal throttling and maintains rock-solid stability during marathon gaming sessions. Nvidia DLSS 4 kicks performance into overdrive with advanced AI-powered upscaling, providing razor-sharp visuals without taking a hit to your frame rate. With the Blackwell architecture bringing cutting-edge efficiency and significantly enhanced ray tracing capabilities, this is an exceptional, future-ready upgrade for any high-end PC. Saving one of the best for last. The Asus Blackwell Gaming Graphics Card. This military-grade juggernaut delivers unparalleled performance for hardcore gaming and heavy professional workloads. Built from the ground up with ultra-durable components, it ensures maximum lifespan even under extreme daily usage. A specialized protective PCB coating safeguards against moisture and dust, while the massive 3.125-slot design features a dense fin array paired with 3 axial tech fans for ultimate cooling efficiency. Replacing traditional thermal paste, a phase-change GPU thermal pad significantly enhances thermal longevity and core stability. Additional structural integrity comes from the reinforced ASUS GPU guard bracket, effectively eliminating PCB sag. Manufactured using the precise Auto Extreme process for flawless assembly and paired with GPU Tweak 3 for intuitive tuning, it is unmatched for those demanding rock-solid stability. And that's it for today. If this video helped you find the perfect product, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And make sure to subscribe to Gadget House and turn on the bell icon, because we're bringing you more amazing gadgets, smart reviews, and hidden tech deals you won't want to miss. Got any questions or want us to review a specific product? Drop it in the comments below. We read every comment. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.